Hello, everyone, and welcome to our PSCR 2020 Digital Experience session. So today we're here to tell you a little bit about some of the important research being explored in the area of resilient systems, more specifically in the use of drone technology to support first responders on their missions.
Today I'm going to talk a little bit about what the yet2 market research results are and highlight some of those. So the objective of this market research was to identify what existing UAS technologies could meet NIST's minimum requirements. And the most important requirements we were looking for were the ability to carry a payload greater than or equal to 15 pounds, while still weighing under 55 pounds in order to fall within the FAA Part 107 rules, and with an endurance that's greater than or equal to 30 minutes while carrying that payload. Modus identified around 41 companies with UAS that are designed for various applications, including industrial applications such as wind turbine inspection, agriculture, mapping, surveying, and so on. 41 or so drones companies that we identified. There were 36 that were able to take off and land vertically, and those are the ones we were most interested in. Out of those, 19 of them were weighed under 55 pounds, and 19, not the same 19 necessarily, but 19 of the 36 also had flight times over 30 minutes. And you can see in this chart where the blue lines are the weight of the drone and the orange lines are the maximum flight duration of each of those drones. And then you also see the dashed blue line, which represents the 55-pound limit. So anything under that could fall under the FAA's Part 107 flight rules, if you want. And the dashed orange line represents the 30 minutes, which is one of the minimum requirements that we're looking for. So any orange bar going over that line essentially meets our requirement. And then in the pie chart on the right, you see the power sources of these 36 different drones that we identified. The vast majority were using batteries, and then a few were using gasoline, and a few were hybrid gas battery solutions, and then only one was using a hydrogen fuel cell, and one was using the wireless charging capability that I discussed earlier. So these are the results of the yet2 market, or some of the results from the yet2 market research.